Noise issue in commercial refrigeration. Noise issue in commercial refrigeration can be resolved by checking following points. Checkpoint number 1. Please ensure that the placement of the product is done on an even surface. Checkpoint number 2. Please make sure that the output voltage of the stabilizer is falling between 220 volt to 240 volt. Checkpoint number 3. Please make sure that there should be a gap of at least 30 cm to 40 cm at the back side and the right side for proper ventilation. If your problem has not been resolved even after trying all these suggestions, then please register a request at Voltas Customer Care.